Ladies and gentlemen, welcome aboard.
We're on a journey, looking back on the things that we've taken for granted, but feels like we're learning to be better without what's been holding us back now. Let's move closer to a new history, find out what we can be together. Take my hand and we will conquer the world. This is our final chance. 'Cause one day we'll be looking back at this. We were in a big mess together. But we found a way to choose right from wrong. We found the strength to go on together. To go on together. Yeah. To go on together. To go on together. Moonlight and fire, dancing closely together and staying forever young. What about you and I then? Can we two find a way to align with each other? Let's move closer to a new history.
Hey guys, thought I would do a quick room tour. That is us just got in and checked in. Have a look at this. So this is our bathroom here. The toilet, and then this is the room. Looks amazing. And then look at our view. So we have this big seat here. And then look at this big window. And this is right in the center of Liverpool 1 over there. And if you look over there, you can see the docks and the water. So lovely. And that is where we're going for dinner later on, over at those pink benches. You see? Just arrived at our hotel and it's amazing. I did a room tour, I'll insert it here, but we have to go and get ready. We're just got a booking at 1 o'clock for our lunch, so I'll take you guys along. Let's go. So we're in Bill's. I got a chicken burger and chips. Look at this, so nice, and a little Aperol spritz. So cute in here.
여유롭게 달려와 내일은 더 빛나지 당연 yeah. 내 삶은 shine like a diamond 괜히 해서 뭐해 걱정 I got no worries no I got no worries no I got no worries no I'm shining like a diamond shining like a diamond.
flying high, floating somewhere up in the clouds. We're going out of ourselves, can you feel it? Almost like I don't know if it's real, cause when we're doing our thing, we're like wheels that won't stop turning. So take me on a trip, 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 now trip, trip, trip. Oh, flick that switch, kill the lights. Oh, wasted. City lights are shining so
Hey guys, so I've just had my coffee this morning and I'm just looking out here. I'm just trying to see what the weather is like for today. I'm gonna see, I think it's a bit cloudy actually, but yesterday it was so warm. Like it was like 30 degrees, it was so hot. So I'm glad to see a little bit of cloud and not be so dying when we're out walking. But yeah, we're just gonna go out for some breakfast at the minute. Last night we had dinner in the hotel and it was absolutely beautiful. It was so nice and had a few Aperol Spritz. They're like my fave little cocktail whenever I go away. It's just a dress casual day. I've just got my trainers on and we're just going really casual. Just gonna do lots of exploring and walking about and shopping today. So I'll take you guys along with me. It is about 9 AM, so up and at 'em very early. And yeah, I absolutely love this view. So the Liverpool Zara is one of my favourite shops. It's so huge and they had so many nice bits, so I just quickly wanted to include this in this video. I was going to do a separate one of this, but I thought why not just include it in the vlog. So here is a few of my favourite shopping bits that I saw. That bag was really nice, and then I'm just going to do a quick overview of the whole shop because they had some really lovely things in. There was lots of bright colours and lots of really cute shirts. These here were like oversized shirts. They had pink and blue and white, lots of different colours. Also look at those shoes, unreal. And then I noticed this white oversized shirt as well. And then here is their new in and trending section. So I just wanted to include this. Look at those pastel coloured bags. So nice. I also really love this pink one. These shoulder straps are so cute, but sadly I couldn't fit it back in my case or I would have bought it. Also this shirt reminded me of like a Versace print and it was only £20, so really good pricing on that. Then these shoes were similar to Balenciaga's. Also this really cute bag with like covered in pearls, so I thought that was really nice. And then they had these really cute white sandals which looked really good to walk in, and they were $28. And then also in their jewellery section they had all these different types of beaded jewellery, and yeah, just really fun bits. So hope you guys enjoyed this little shop with me, and let's get back into the vlog. Hi guys, so we're now on our way to Chester. We're just at the train here. We got it from James Street station, which was good because it wasn't the busiest of stations. So we're on our way now to Wales. We're going to go meet the family at rhyl. So I'll take you guys along to that next part. So stay tuned. I also have a little wine here. We bought it from the shop. We have a little wine for our journey, so cheers. Hey babe!
What is he doing?
Hey babe!
Is he handies?
Hey guys, so we've just came to see a big waterfall in North Wales. So I think it's over there. We've just parked up, so I'm gonna go find out how to get into it. So it's called the Dyserth Waterfall, and yeah, I'm excited to go see it. I love seeing things like this, so let's go. Let's go. side. I think we go over the little bridge. So pretty! Cool! I'm not going in there. Let's go over the bridge. Gorgeous. Can you see the waterfall behind us? It's so cool. Zoom in. Getting blown away at the beach. It's so windy. But this beach looks so cute on a sunny day. Shame it's like crazy winds. Then was able to catch up with one of my best friends. I haven't seen her in so long, so hi Pove, if you're watching. I had a great day and we'll see you soon. So then after that it was time to head back to the caravan, and it started pouring with rain sadly, but whenever I got back I'll show you a clip of the sky. The sunset was absolutely beautiful, so I'll insert it here. And yeah, I just love sunsets.
We're on a journey, looking back on the things that we've taken for granted, but feels like we're learning to be better without what's been holding us back now. Let's move closer to a new history, find out what we can be together. Take my hand and we will conquer the world. This is our final chance. 'Cause one day we'll be looking back at this. We were in a big mess together. But we found a way to choose right from wrong. We found the strength to go on together. To go on together. Yeah. To go on together.
So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this vlog, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button, and I will see y'all in my next video, and I'll leave you with some lovely clips of Above the Clouds. Bye guys.
Moonlight and fire, dancing closely together and staying forever young. What about you and I then? Can we two find a way